Hi guys, you're welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to access the PAWS website. You all know that PAWS is no longer on Telegram, so I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to access the PAWS website so that you can be able to check your PAWS allocation and also claim your PAWS token. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Phantom app. So in case you don't have the Phantom app, you have to go over to Play Store or App Store to download and install it. You can see my Phantom app right the way. Let me tap on it. Remember, we connected our Solana wallet using the Phantom app to the PAWS mining platform. So we're going to be going over to the PAWS website now using this Phantom wallet. So let it open up. It's opening. So guys, now you can see here's the homepage of the Phantom wallet. So the next step you have to take now in order to access the PAWS website is to tap on the search page. You can see it right there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see the search icon. You can see that search bar right there at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to go ahead now and search for PAWS.community. You have to type it in PAWS.community. So let me type it in PAWS.community. So guys, now you can see these search suggestions right here. Don't tap on any of the one that you can see there. You can see the suggestion that is being given. It says PAWS.community, search with Google. Don't tap on that one. Just tap on enter or search on your keyboard. You can see after you're done typing it in PAWS.community, then tap on search or enter on your keyboard, depending on the kind of keyboard you're using. So let me tap on enter. Wow guys, can see it right there. PAWS, verify yourself. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on verify yourself. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it says verify with PAWS Telegram app, Phantom wallet and Ton wallet. These are the three options that you can use. The one that you have to go for is the Phantom wallet. Remember, you've connected your Phantom wallet, your Solana address using a Phantom wallet to your PAWS mining app. So guys, you have to verify yourself using your Phantom wallet, which you connected using your Solana address to the PAWS website. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on Phantom wallet. And one thing you have to take note is that if this Phantom wallet that you want to use to verify yourself is not the one that you connected to your PAWS mining app on Telegram or on the website, you're not going to be verified. The verification is not going to work out. So make sure the Phantom wallet you connected to your PAWS mining app is what you want to use to verify yourself. Make sure they are the same. And in case you want to check out, maybe you don't know your Solana address, you don't know the Solana address that you connected to your PAWS mining app, what you have to do right away now is to go to the home page. You can see now I'm back to the home page. So what you have to do now is to tap on Solana. You can see where it is written Solana. You can see the Solana logo. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on receive. So let me tap on receive. So guys, can see it right there, account 1. You can see the Solana address right there. So make sure this is your Solana address. This one you can see here, the one you can find there. Make sure it's the one that you connected to your PAWS mining app during the period they asked us to connect our Solana wallet. If they are not the same, if it is different, the verification is not going to work out. That is something you have to take note of. Or maybe you reinstalled your app, maybe you uninstalled it and restored it and created a new Phantom wallet. If you created a new Phantom wallet, it's not going to work out. So you have to import that wallet that you connected to your PAWS mining app. Maybe you wrote the seed phrase somewhere, you have to import it. After importing it, then you can go ahead to verify yourself. So make sure that's the one you're connecting the Solana address. So let me go back now. Let me go back now to the web page. Let me tap on the web page icon. So guys, you can see now we are back here. Sorry, let me search for the web page again. Let me tap on the search bar at the top. Then let me tap on PAWS.community. Let me do this real quick. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now we're back here. I was logged out, so I need to search out the web page again. You can see we're back here. So let me tap on verify yourself. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on wallet. Once you tap on wallet, the verification will go through. They'll be able to have access to the PAWS website. They can see your allocation and also claim your PAWS token. So guys, this is how it works.